Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make red pesto. First, let's gather our key ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of oil-packed sun-dried tomatoes, a ½ cup of fresh basil leaves, 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and 2 tablespoons of pine nuts. Don't forget 1 clove of garlic, a ½ cup of extra virgin olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. A food processor will make this process very easy. Now, let's prepare our ingredients. Start by draining your sun-dried tomatoes thoroughly. You can reserve a little of their oil for later if you like. Next, gently toast your pine nuts in a dry skillet over medium heat for about 3 minutes until they are golden and fragrant. Finally, peel and roughly chop your garlic clove. This preparation ensures maximum flavor and smooth blending. It's time to blend. Add the drained sun-dried tomatoes, fresh basil, Parmesan cheese, toasted pine nuts, and chopped garlic to your food processor. Pulse these ingredients together until they form a coarse paste, making sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl as needed. Then, with the processor running, slowly drizzle in the olive oil until your pesto reaches a smooth, rich consistency. Taste and adjust seasoning with salt and pepper. To store your delicious red pesto, transfer it to an airtight container. Pour a thin layer of olive oil over the top to prevent discoloration and keep it fresh. It will last in the refrigerator for up to 1 week, or you can freeze it for several months. This versatile pesto is fantastic with pasta, spread on sandwiches, or as a flavorful dip. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.